Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Nitro credit on mobile. Nitro subscription credit means when a gifted subscription to your account gets stored for further use. Imagine that you already own a Nitro subscription and get yourself another subscription as a gift. If the gifted Nitro matches with your existing membership plan, it will auto-renew after your membership plan expires. But if the gifted Nitro doesn't match your current subscription plan, that will be stockpiled for further uses. That's what we are recognizing as Nitro credit. You can activate the credit whenever you wish to. So how to activate this card Nitro credit? Activating Discord Nitro credit won't seem complicated once you apprehend the Nitro mechanism, which you do after reading the earlier section. Now, I will provide the information on how you can complain Discord Nitro by following some easy instructions. But before that, you will need to check if there is account credit available for you to use. So now, on your Discord homepage, click your profile at the right corner. Scroll down and select Get Nitro. Then you will see here the Nitro Basic and Nitro Plan. So you can pick a plan here. To get subscription, click the Get Basic and select Purchase to your plan. After that, you will select a subscription. And another choices on Nitro, copy the previous one. Then you will need to subscribe on this plan. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.